is Nagarjuna humanoid robot. My name is Abhinav and he is my reliever Krishnakant. So this is a humanoid robot which works on the human head, and this is totally remote controlled. It consists of 5 levers, which consists of all total gear motors, and these gear motors are very sensitive. It consists of a gripper which is very sensitive and even holds a needle. It is normally used for bomb dismantling and also to mix the fertilizers and help the farmer. It is a type of a machine man. Similarly, nowadays we see the farmers going to the farms in the late night to switch on their motors. So to avoid this, I have made an experiment by which by just giving a ring to this mobile, the circuit gets completed and the light turns on. So you can see I have extracted the electricity from the mobile and have connected it to this lens, and when this motor rotates, this goes forward and the switch turns on. So similarly, this is another experiment called timer experiment. You can see timer experiment. So this consists of 2 timers, on time and off time. So if we set the time in this alarm, according to the time the light gets turned on. So I am just now matching the alarm time with the normal time. So you can see it moves forward and the light turns on. Similarly, again to turn off, I am similarly matching the alarm clock with the normal hand in the another watch. You can see the light is turned off. Nowadays we see the farmers going to the farms at the late night to switch on their motors. So to avoid this, I have made an experiment by which the light turns on by just pointing a laser or any source of light on the sensor. For demonstration, I am keeping a matchstick. So that the light turns on. So you can see I have just kept the matchstick and the light turned on. So this is very useful for the farmers.